Five a day is kind of like microdosing, which I actually don't know anything about, but I do know that it is better than overdosing. The same holds true for studying. Research clearly shows that studying for small blocks of time over multiple days is way more effective than studying for many hours over a single day. Your brain can easily handle and retain the information from five videos or five flashcards. However, if you try to learn the details of 50 disorders or 50 drug classes in a marathon studying session, your brain is going to tap out and you're not going to be able to retain the information very well. So, the key to success in nursing school is to study less but more frequently. And our flashcards and videos will help you do just that.
We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.